little time at Wycombe. Yay! Starting off not so strong with an Oakland in next.
Mind the doors, please. Mind the doors, please.
The doors do not close, and they said it twice, which just gets really annoying. And there was a massive jolt as well, and only 2 lights are working. And there's someone writing that on the wall as well. No door.
Lift going down. First floor. Mind the doors.
I feel like all
please.
next stores have a sort of at least have a Costa now. Door hold button. I think this is like an older, no, not older, a newer model, because it's actually a button, not a key to press it. Because on the older ones, you have to like get a key to press it.
Lift going up.
Now this store used to be a Zara, now it's a Sports Direct, and they've completely stripped the old floors and walls out, but
mind the doors.
is still here. And it's still very glitchy, and this still doesn't work, so yeah.
Floor 1. Doors are opening.
I've completely stripped the desk out.
Please mind the doors
But yeah, they've
are
completely...
opening. Please mind the doors. Lift going down.
Because when it was
Please mind the doors.
Zara, there used to be a desk there for Zara kids, but it looks like it's been stripped out. Which is a very
Ground
peculiar.
floor. Doors are opening.
And now to a high-tech lift in River Island, which smells very perfumey.
Doors closing.
And that voice is still there.
Lift going up.
So, yeah, that voice still hasn't died.
First floor level. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
And this lift is actually 68 kilos, 8 pounds, but it looks way smaller. It really looks like it can actually fit about 6 or 5, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they've got it wrong. After all,
Doors
it's
opening.
low-tech lifts. Sleep 8. This used to be a Topman Top Shop. Then it was a Christmas pop-up for 2021 or 22. Then that closed because it was a pop-up. Now it's a Sleep 8. Then that closed for, I thought it was permanent. And now it's reopened. I'm not going to film the lift because I'm not allowed to go upstairs. But it's a 2007 Stella, and I know this because of Jim Woodward's video. So it appears that the lift at TK Maxx is out of service. Wah, wah. And now into TK Maxx, where there's an Otis with Dewhurst. Slap the Dewhurst. Apparently this is closing in July. as a bonus for the Primark, there's a very old 90s Thyssen escalator, and it seems a lot longer in camera, but actually it's quite short. And it has like kind of gold panels on it, which is nice. But can't go down it. Again, if I did, I'd have myself. These are the new Thyssenkrupp escalators conducted by Velino, made in 2008, which was when the store opened. WH Smith has a modernised 90s Evans, which has been replaced in like 2013 by Sendon. It's all worn out though.
Lift going up. Doors closing.
Feels so young than it used to be, but they've completely stripped it out. Oh, I think they've stripped it out. Maybe the floor's original.
First
ceiling,
floor.
though. Not all the lights.
Doors open. Lift going down.
It's all like a staff area, isn't it?
Doors closing. Ground floor.